Siamo a Spalato, in Croazia.
We are in Split, Croatia, and this is the superRIB production site, a shipyard that has limited production for a few owners. Exclusive examples built to measure. They just finished a very special one.
Terminato uno davvero speciale. Questo cantiere è stato fondato con
This shipyard was founded with the aim of building the best ribs. Okay, but how do they achieve this goal?
The goal of our company is, like the name is saying for itself, to be superb over other brands, to offer something different, and that means better quality in the rib section. Our goal was to produce rib that is high-class finish. It is like yacht touch, to produce tender to yacht. So when the owner steps down from the flybridge to the steering wheel of the superRIB, to have exact feeling of materials, quality and speed after all. We want to produce a sporty rib. Our ribs are certified to handle 900 horsepower. superRIB 30, superRIB 27 can hold up to 450, but with one engine. So if you want to have a top speed, we can even provide you with a carbon fiber hull, carbon fiber construction. We don't do mass production, but custom tailored ribs. When you buy superRIB special like this one, it is one of a kind, and that's it. You will be the only person in the world that owns the same setup of the boat.
Quando si esamina un gommone, è bene.
When examining a rib, it is good to focus on which features make the deck comfortable.
We have a solid bow, as you can see. We have plastic tubes in the bow. In that way, if you puncture a tube, you need to change the whole tube, just left or right side of the boat, whatever do you want. You have a lot of space to install additional equipment, as you can see, for the awning, for the USB socket, for the slings, for the lifting the boat. And the anchor is hidden down in the compartment downstairs. We have various configurations. As you can see, you have U-shape with 3 lockers underneath it. You can have table that you can convert easily to the sun deck. We use 8mm thick, natural thick, and it is a CNC made from our partners just to match our 3 models that we have. All compartments in the superRIB are produced in the counter press, as you can see, with 2 dampers, with the spring lock, not to make noise, and with a rubber sealant. So when you close this, you don't have that plastic noise like on other boats. You see, it's like a kitchen door. That was our goal, to offer something different in every aspect of the boat, to be superb over other brands. Under the seat, here is our masterpiece. It's like a chocolate box. It's a toilet where you can even have a shower if you want. Thick gratting inside with mirror, and behind the mirror it is the brain of our boat.
Ho già provato 3 modelli di questo.
I have already tested 3 models from this manufacturer and have had a great time driving them. Sporting characteristics and a wonderful feeling are also the result of how the cockpit was designed.
If you want to drive your rib by standing on the feet, you can do that, or you can sit. That's the reason why the seats on superRIB are foldable. And also, to enjoy your rib on the hot summer days, you have a big refrigerator down there, and you have a big sink under the seat. same story here on the rear, like on the boat. It is a U-shaped seats. You can sit up to 4 people, and underneath it there are still 2 lockers, and it is access to the engine room inside. You can convert this into the sunbed or table. It's up to the customer. You can always, no matter about the brand, tilt the engine all the way up, and you can still walk from one side through the other. When you come out from the sea, you take the ladders, you have 2 steps, you flip the cushion and enter the cockpit.
There is one thing that I consider essential on any boat or rib. The centre of gravity must be as low as possible, and here the T-top is made of carbon.
È di carbonio.
The dashboard and the looks of the T-top and everything, it is really aggressive, sharp lines, sportivity, wheel and everything you can see, it is sporty, but it is still comfortable. And for even more comfort, we have added the T-top to protect you from the sun. And what is most important, it is made in cast carbon. As you can see, it is very, very light, so the center of the gravity of the boat, it is down there. And it is part of the boat that we are really, really proud of. So the front part holders are stainless steel. They are powder coated. You have enough clearance to grab it in case you need it. And the Epsilon holder of the T-top is made out of the vinyl ester fiberglass.
Very high performance and construction methods with advanced technologies. Only one thing was missing to be number 1. Carbon.
Our hulls are sporty hulls with racing capabilities, but they are heavy duty produced, so it means they are thick, they are vacuum infused, and they have stringers from stern to the bow. They are not laminated to the hull, but they are glued with a special glue. And that is the difference between superRIB and other brands. We pay much attention to the details.
Do you want something more? Perhaps a bigger and more powerful model? It's on its way.
Our hull are designed by Srđan Đaković, very, very famous Croatian naval architect. He has been designer of our entire range for our 3 models, and now at this moment he's designing the new model. It will be big model, somewhere between 38 and 40 foot for 3 outboards, and we will see what it will look like, but the quality will be the same, I can assure you that. So our goal is to have a top quality finish, like maybe perhaps like car industry, where every boat is completely the same in finish like the previous boat. So that is our goal. It is really, really hard to achieve that because you have a lot of man labor here on the boat. You don't have machines doing things because you need to do it with your own hands. But that is our goal, and that is something that we want to achieve. It will be really hard, but we are looking up to it.
Look, this is not one of those unusual construction sites, messy, full of dust and full of fiberglass. This is a boutique build, and that makes a difference too.